friends, welcome to the class. Here we have another question to find HCF. The first expression 81y power 4 minus 9y square plus 6y minus 1. Second 27y cube plus 1, and third one 9y cube minus 3y square plus y. We are finding the HCF of these expressions here also. So let's factorize the given expressions. And guys, this is a very important questions. The questions which we are solving in the class, all questions are asked already in different SE examinations. So these are the possible long questions for the coming SE also. So let's factorize the first expression. So, how do we factorize this expression? We have 81y power 4 minus 9y square plus 6y minus 1. Either using any formula or arranging the terms. There are 4 terms already. Okay, look here. When you take the common in the last 3 terms, the what will be remaining in the bracket, it completes the square, and the whole structure, it can be written in the form of a square minus b square. That is 81y power 4. Leaving this as it is, if you take minus common in the last 3 terms, we will get 9y square minus 6y plus 1. So this expression inside the bracket, it is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. For this we can write a plus b whole square. 81y power 4 as it is. So this is square of 3y minus 2. A is 3y into b is 1 plus 1. We can write 1 square. Now it is 3y into 3y, 9y square. 2 times 3y, 8 times 1, it is minus 6y, and 1 square, it is 1. So this 9y square minus 6y plus 1, it is the square of 3y minus 1. Because a square minus 2ab plus b square is a minus b whole square. And this 81y power 4, it is also square of 9y square. So it is square of 3y minus 1. Now, supposing this 9y square is a and this 3y minus 1 is b, we are using the formula of a square minus b square. A plus b times a minus b. 9y square minus 3y a plus b plus 3y minus 1 a minus b. So 9y square. Okay guys, look here, don't be confused while writing a minus b. The sign is very important here. The time sometimes we make the mistake in the sign. So I write like this: a plus b times a minus b. If you write like this, there is no chance of making the mistake in the sign. If you are perfect, you can write at a time a plus b, a minus b. While writing a plus b, we open this bracket supposing this sign is plus, and while writing a minus b, we have to open the bracket supposing this sign is minus. Same I have written here. So 9y square plus 3y minus 1, 9y square minus 3y minus plus 1. I think this is the complete factorization of the expression. We cannot factorize this 9y square plus 3y minus 1 as well as this 9y square minus 3y plus 1. These factors are in their simplest form. So we cannot factorize them further. So let's factorize the other 2 expressions. So our second expression is 27y cube plus 1. It is in the form of a cube plus b cube, because this 27y cube it is cube of 3y and 1 cube of 1 we can write. So a cube plus b cube formula. A plus b a square minus ab plus b square. So a plus b 3y plus 1, a square of 3y minus ab, a is 3y, b is 1 plus b square is 1 square. So it is 3y plus 1, 3y into 3y, 9y square minus 3y plus 1. So this is the factorization of second expression. Now we have the third expression, 9y cube minus 3y square plus 1. Third expression is equal to 9y cube minus 3y square plus y. There is y common. So we take y common first. 9y square minus 3y plus 1 will be remaining in the bracket. And this expression, already we left it here because it is in the simplest form. We cannot factorize it further. So no other more factorization here for this expression. Now we completed the factorization of all three terms. These are the factors of the first expression. These are the factors of the second expression, and these are the factors of the third expression. So what is the common factor here? We can see there is only one common factor in the three expressions, and this is 9y square minus 3y plus 1, which is present in all the three expressions. Therefore, finally we write HCF is equal to 9y square minus 3y plus 1. Look here guys, this expression, it is slightly we have to think for its factorization, because the last three terms again I am repeating, they complete their square after taking minus common. So this is slightly different factorization. Other two, these are a cube minus b, a cube plus b cube. You understand it very well. And this just we are taking the common y. After taking y common, there will be remaining this 9y square minus 3y plus 1. Self is in the simplest form. So I think you don't have any problem to understand these all factorizations. So I hope we'll do some more factorizations in the coming classes. So everybody try to understand. You see repeatedly. This is very important question for SC in the coming years as well. So please guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channels. I will try my best to give you the best videos in the coming classes. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Hello everyone, welcome to the class. Here we have another question to find the HCF. There are three expressions. So we are finding the HCF of these three expressions. The expressions are very easy. It is very important question for SC. It was asked many times in the previous examinations. So let's factorize all the expressions one by one, then find their HCF. So our first expression is a square plus 2ab plus b square minus c square. First three terms, a square plus 2ab plus b square, they are completing the square. We can write a plus b whole square, because we know that a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square, and this minus c square as it is. Now supposing this much is a and this is b, we can use the formula of a square minus b square here. A plus b times a minus b. So it is very easy factorization. I hope everybody understand it. Now just we are writing in this form a plus b times a minus b, a plus b, a minus b. We suppose this a plus b is a and c is b, so that it is in the form of a square minus b square, and we know that the formula of a square minus b square is a plus b times a minus b. So according to this formula, it becomes like this. Now similarly, second and third expression also we can factorize. We have second expression b square plus 2bc plus c square minus a square. The first three terms, b square plus 2bc plus c square, they are also completing the square. We know that it is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square, which is also a plus b whole square. A is b plus b is c. A plus b whole square minus a square. Now supposing this is a and this is b, and using the formula of a square minus b square. So b plus c plus a, b plus c minus a. After arranging the terms, this can be written as a plus b plus c also, and this b plus c minus a as it is. We are not arranging the term because a is negative. We are not necessary to arrange. Here, if all the terms are positive, then we can write the terms in order. So now third expression, we have c square plus 2ca plus a square minus b square. Here also the first three terms, c square plus 2ac or ca plus a square, they are completing the square in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. Again you can write c plus a whole square and minus b square as it is. Now again here using the formula a square minus b square, supposing c plus a is a and this b is b, a plus b times a minus b, c plus a plus b, c plus a minus b. If you write this in order, we can write a plus b plus c times c plus a minus b. So here we can see this a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c is the common factor of all the three expressions. Therefore, HCF of the given expressions is a plus b plus c. Therefore, HCF is equal to a plus b plus c. This is the required answer.